कैसा फील कर रही है आपका बर्थडे आप आई क्या कैसा
It's a birthday! Yay! So I love her so much and happy birthday,
Thank you
Vayo.
so much. I love you.
This place is amazing. Thank you, Jignesh, and thank you, Subhash. Amethyst is the best, and
Yes,
we would come
anytime.
party here again for my birthday as well. Do
Yes.
not forget me, guys. And we are drunk. इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पाऊंगी. Bye. The crowd is nice.
Amazing.
And the hosting is good.
Hosting is amazing.
It's
Because
amazing. Because she hosted it. Basically, she want to take all the credit.
Yes.
And not to give all the credits to the club, but that's fine. I am giving the credit to the club. Amethyst rocks.
Amethyst rocks.
क्या फील कर रहे हैं बर्थडे पे आए क्या
सो ये मेरी बहुत ही ज़्यादा पुरानी दोस्त है। लगभग हम दोनों को 6 साल हो गए हमारी फ्रेंडशिप को, और मैं आज इसके बर्थडे पर बस इसके लिए यही विश करूँगा कि इसको दुनिया की सारी सक्सेस मिले और ये हमेशा खुश रहे।
Thank you so much, Kunal. I wish you the same. I wish you the same for you. And Amethyst Club, I love this club. And Kunal का भी बर्थडे आ रहा है, तो हम यही मनाएंगे. Because
हाँ.
Amethyst rocks.
डेफिनेटली Amethyst rocks.
Yeah. Thank you.
फील कर रहे हैं बर्थडे आज क्या विश कर
She's a very good friend of mine, Vayo, and she's a multi-talented girl. And I wish you a very happy
Thank you
birthday
so
on your
much.
special day. Many, many happy returns of the
Thank
day. God
you.
bless you. And thank you, Amethyst. And thank you, Jinesh,
Thanks.
for having us here.
Sorry? I'm very happy that he's here because he's a very close friend of mine and इनका भी birthday आ रहा है तो हम यहीं पे मनाएंगे because Amethyst rocks. Thank you.
As we are presenting Amethyst, it was pleasure to do a birthday party over here since it's a long good friend of
Yes.
ours. And happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
like the
Subhash. I love it. I love it. I love it.
We'll party together.
Yes, yes, yes.
She's a very good friend of mine.
Yes.
Vio,
Yo.
we love her.
I love you too, guys.
How's this place?
Amazing. It's the best place. It's the best place I have ever been, and I just loved the vibe. And since next time, I'm only gonna come to Amethyst.
And how's the
because
crowd and all?
crowd is amazing. Crowd is amazing. Food is amazing. Food is amazing, and ambience is amazing, and you guys are amazing. I love Amethyst. I love you guys.
It was
Thanks.
pleasure hosting us.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
सर क्या विश करना चाहेंगे उनकी बर्थडे आज स्पेशल डे
मेरी वॉयलिना से मुलाकात 2 साल पहले एक पार्टी में हुई थी where she rapped and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा and I told her that you should come and see us because we would like to do something with us and finally हम लोगों ने एक प्रोजेक्ट किया वायलिना के साथ ज़रूरत which featured Sonakshi Sinha, Shatrughan Sinha. It was for government of India and she's a family to us और बहुत talented artist है और मैं हमेशा इसको ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस कराता हूँ somebody who start rapping at 150 BPM and that is something Violina is all about and I wish her a lot of success and a very
Thank
happy
you.
birthday.
Thank you
and
so
I think
much.
at this occasion I think Violina should rap for everybody, all the people watching you right now, Violina. Anything.
Anything? Really? All right. Little bit. Hey, you're breezy. Let's go. Cause I feel like running and I feel like I gotta be. But I know when I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause I know I gotta win every day. Should I believe it ever pop me? Just know that you will never flop me. And it could be a little cocky. You were never gonna stop me. Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow and then I gotta shit a little thing and I gotta be doing cause it doesn't make them then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom about a bing. I gotta do a lot of things. Make a choke up niggas till always and again and again and again and again. And I'll be doing it that and will fall and better correct everybody. I'm a style and know them best when it come to it. This is about banging in my chest. best. Bang in the east and bang in the west, and I come and give you more. I can never give you less. You can hate it in straight, you can read it in the pressure. You only wanna know what's next. Let's go. Sit up and beyond, and all up in the race, and I know we gotta go. Trying to keep up with the pace when you struggle and hustle and and again, and always gonna take it to a place. Gotta taste it, and I gotta grab it, and I gotta cut all through this traffic just to be at the top down top. But I know I gotta have it. Thank you.
This is what Violina is all about. Cheers for
Thank you. Thank you. So,
What are you going to say? I'm going to wish Violina a happy birthday, and she's going to do a lot more, and she's going to get a lot more success in her life.
thank you so much.
And God bless her. That's all I want to say to her.
Thank you so much. It means a lot.
And it's been an amazing journey. Huh?
Yeah, it is.
I wish you all the success.
Thank
all
you.
the success.
Same to you.
A very, very happy birthday to you.
He's a very, very dear friend of mine, and I wish you the same. And
Thank
thanks
you so much.
for
Thank you so much.
joining
Thanks.
in.
We had an amazing time out
Yes,
here.
yes.
Thank you so
Amethyst
much.
rocks, right?
Super.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. You made this happen.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.